Hey guys, to download MS Office 2019, just copy the link that I have given in the description below and copy paste it on your browser and open it using your torrent tabs from which you can download it directly in your torrent tab. You can select either 64 bits or 32 bits. Here you can see two files, one is 64 bits and one more is 86. 86 is actually 32 bit rate. So if your PC is 32, you can select the 86, or if your PC is 64 bits, you can select the 64 bit and click on the download button, and the download will begin in your torrent app. You can check the operating system bit by clicking on the My Computer icon on your desktop and right clicking on your mouse and going to the properties. When you open the properties, you can see all the details of your PC here. Here you can see whether it is 32 bitrate or 64 bitrate, and after that you can select the file whichever is required to download. Thanks for watching.